Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Charles County in southern Maryland, northern St. Mary's County in southern Maryland, southern Prince George's County in central Maryland, southern Anne Arundel County in central Maryland, northwestern Calvert's County in southern Maryland, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:26 p.m., severe thunderstorms were detected along the line extending from Fort Washington to 5 miles west of St. Charles, and were moving east at 25 miles per hour. This line of storms is capable of producing hail up to the size of quarters and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Clinton, Waldorf, St. Charles, Andrews Air Force Base, Marlton, Upper Marlboro, Dunkirk, Halloween Point. This is a dangerous line of storms. If you are in its path, move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, report severe weather to local law enforcement or to the National Weather Service. This line of storms is producing frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move indoors immediately.